In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about Zapier for your SMMA. So there's tons of processes that can be automated. A lot of them are to do with leads and onboarding and that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you a bit about how to do it. So you want to create new Zap. Now from here, you want to set a trigger. So essentially what the trigger is going to be is what event you want to start your Zap. So let's say you get a new Facebook lead. You can type in Facebook lead ads. Now choose the event, new lead. So every time you get a new lead, this is going to be triggered. Hit continue, you connect your account, add your business manager, ad manager, all of that, connect everything up. Now, every time you get a new lead, it's going to do an action. So what action do you want to happen? You can send them an email. You can invite them to a Zoom meeting with Calendly. You can send them a YouTube video. You can do loads of things. You can say to ChatGPT. You could, if you have like a comment box on your leads, you could add a ChatGPT feature in here, and you could get it to create a personalized welcome message, and then you can send it to them via email. Likewise, say that you've got a new customer, you can send them some automatic onboarding stuff, get them sent their documents, questionnaire, all that stuff, and you can help integrate this with ChatGPT. So there's a ton of things you can do with here, and like any task that's repetitive that you don't really need to spend a lot of time on and that you keep doing over and over again, then this can really help you and save you a lot of time. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.